Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of management. What is it exactly, and why is it so crucial? Stick around to find out. So, what is management? Simply put, management is the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling an organization's resources to achieve specific goals. Sounds simple, right? But there's a lot more to it. Let's break it down into 4 key functions. First, we have planning. This is where managers set objectives and determine the best course of action to achieve them. Think of it as creating a roadmap for success. Next is organizing. This involves arranging resources and tasks in a structured way to implement the plan. It's like assembling all the pieces of a puzzle. Then, there's leading. This is all about motivating and directing the team to work effectively towards the goals. Great leaders inspire and empower their teams. Finally, we have controlling. This function involves monitoring performance and making adjustments as needed to stay on track. Think of it as a continuous feedback loop. Now, you might be wondering, why is management so important? Well, effective management ensures that an organization runs smoothly, adapts to changes, and meets its objectives efficiently. Without it, even the best ideas can fall apart. From small startups to multinational corporations, good management practices are the backbone of success. They help allocate resources wisely, foster innovation, and maintain a positive workplace culture. So there you have it, a quick overview of what management is and why it matters. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content.
Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe.